If you're looking for the ultimate in travel, comfort, and flexibility, Arrival Aviation is your go-to source for private jet charter from Pocatello Regional Airport in Idaho. Pocatello is the 5th largest city in the state of Idaho, just behind Idaho Falls. Pocatello was ranked 20th for the best places for business and careers by Forbes. For company business or pleasure trips, ArrivalAviation.com will ensure that your next private air charter trip is a hassle-free experience. Call Arrival Aviation toll-free at 866-521-5387 and experience superior customer service.